From book 84 page note 5. Question is, indicate if a number is numerator then surround with triangle, and if a number is denominator then surround with circle. If fraction is 1/3, to mark 1 triangle because 1 is numerator, and 3 with circle because 3 is denominator. The numerator and denominator of same fractions are given below. Write the fraction. One number numerator is 7 and denominator is 9. You have to make a fraction. Answer will be 7/9. In previous class we have learned about how to express equally divided things. Now full part is 1. If I divided this full part into same two pieces, for one piece we will write mathematically 1/2. Always full part is larger, that's why we can tell 1 is greater than half. Okay, again this picture, this portion is 1/4 and this portion is 2/4. We have to find which one is bigger. 1/4 is smaller than 2/4, so 2/4 is bigger. So we are putting here this sign. 1/4 is smaller than 2/4. Again this one representing 5/12 and this one representing 9/12. This, if we compare these two, we can tell this 5/12 is smaller than 9/12. Now you have to solve 88 page 4 number. Compare the following pair of the fractions which is greater and smaller by using symbol smaller than and greater than. First math is 1/4 and 3/4. This one is 1/4 and this one is 3/4. So 1/4 is smaller than 3/4. Fractions. Numerators are 1 and 3. Denominators are same. Denominators are 4. In this case, we have to compare only numerators, which we compare 1 and 3. 3 is larger. That's why 3/4 is larger than 1/4. Then we can say 1/4 is smaller than 3/4. Again 7/9 and 2/9. In this math, numerators are 7 and 2. Denominator is same, is between 7 and 2. 7 is larger, so 7/9 is larger than 2/9. Again 1 and 3/5. Here 1 is full part or full portion and 3/5 is fraction. always full portion is large, that's why 1 is larger than 3 by 5. Remember, always write large number open portion. This open portion, always write large number. Here 1 is large and 3 by 5 is smaller. Again, always write large in open portion. Here 1 by 4 is smaller and 3 by 4 is large. That's why I have written 3 by 4 in large portion. This is the drawing. Half, this one is half, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8 and 5 by 10. Now we have to compare with half and 2 by 4. Half and 2 by 4 is equal. Then 2 by 4 and 3 by 6 is also equal. These two are also equal. These two are also equal. If we observe first to last, all are equal to half. So the answer will be half equal 2 by 4 equal 3 by 6 equal 4 by 8 equal 5 by 8. I am explaining a math like 4 number. We have to identify this statement is right or wrong. For that, we're observing that here 3 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4. 3 by 4 and 3 by 4 are two same fractions. So we can tell this 3 by 4 is equal 3 by 4. So statement is true. We will write answer true. Again, if the statement is like that 2 by 7 is greater than 5 by 7, then first we have to observe denominator is same, numerator is 5 greater, that's why this one is greater, so this statement is false. So we have to write answer false and correct answer is two by 7 is smaller than 5 by 7.